Got 3 weeks ago I enrolled in the academy after the rent-to-rent and the BRR. I put an offer in yesterday which I'm hoping to accept it today on a 7-bed HMO for £220,000. We had to pull 30 grand back out the deal, plus obviously renting out for 40k a year, which is, and it'll make us about £2 grand a month profit on that. Personally, I've always been in construction, and we're moving into the development sector with a business which I've got a third of the shares in. That's 26 bungalows. That's a 6-figure deal, 9-month programme duration. And like I say, it's all happening, mate. Yeah, well, it's learning about the mechanisms which you can sort of supercharge your properties with. I mean, I've always been aware of the HMOs and getting multiple rents for it's really learning the finer details, which is what you pay the money for. You know what I mean? It's like you say, you learn off people that are approving products, so it's just a copy and paste job the way I see it, and you do it for yourself, you know what I mean? Hopefully we get this HMO over the line in the next couple of weeks, and me and the boys are going to turn that around ourselves, hopefully in the next couple of months, do it in phased and systematically, so we leave some tenants in to cover the bills, then add and move through the property and refurb it from top down effectively. And that obviously, but I'm going in with it to my mate who are tradesmen. I'm project manager and quantity by trade, so I can quantify and sort of crunch the numbers on the deal, which I have done. And obviously I'll bring them boys in so we turn it around. So then after that it'll be on to the next ones, but I think I needed a bit of skin in the game, own my own HMO, then I can go and get the rent HMOs, and then you can, like I say, you've got something behind you then, opposed to nothing. So I think that's important. The first one's always going to be the hardest, so if I get one of these over the line, then you just crack it on from there, aren't you?
It's a property that I saw, it's for sale, right? So I called up and I wanted to see if I could probably get like a lease option. It's basically a tired landlord. When I went through the details, the rental income is like 40 grand a year. So it's like, why would you want to get rid of a property that's fully let up until June next year for 40 grand a year? So basically, clearly it's telling me that this landlord is tired. She's tired. So it's a 6-bed HMO, already let, and I called up the agent, like, oh, nothing needs doing to it, it's fully let until next year, we just want to get rid of it basically, I'm like, okay, cool. So can I book a viewing for it? And it's like, yeah, you can. So I went and booked a viewing, and I thought, let me call them again and see if there's any more. So I called them up again and I was just like, actually, I just booked a viewing with you guys on Wednesday. Do you guys have any more, properties that you're trying to get rid of? He's like, actually, yeah, there's like 4 of the same type of property in the area, and he doesn't want to sell them individually, just want to sell it off as a portfolio. So I was just like, yes, let me go and I want to be one of them. So they booked me in for 4 more properties. So that's 5 there. And then I called up this other agency, it's similar area, and I'm just like, can I book a viewing for this one? She's like, yeah, I looked at the rental income, it's like 28 grand a year. I'm like, why? You get rid of a 5-bed property for, you got, rental income, and it's rented up until next year, fully booked, contracted and everything. So I called her back again, I'm like, is there any more that you have? And she's like, yeah, actually there's another one around the corner. So we can do one at 1:30 and we can do the other one at 2 o'clock. I was just like, thank you very much. Yeah, I'll take that, thank you very much. I'm a deal sourcer. I'm a deal sourcer, so I package and sell them. And for me, it's just kind of like, what just happened? What the heck just happened? Yesterday I had no luck. I had the worst luck with the HMO managers. But today, it's just I stayed up till 1 o'clock last night sourcing deals for investors that I met here.
Oh wow.
And today it's just like, it's just turning all thumbs up for me. I'm shocked. I'm really shocked.
Yeah, my name's James McManus. Basically, I've just booked a viewing for a building, obviously in Wakefield. It's a 4-bed multi-let, currently half occupied at the moment, but we was open for a corporate let, so I'm guessing they might be struggling obviously with previous tenants, and I've just managed to book that in for next Thursday. So plans would be potentially serviced accommodation, and yeah, absolutely, just starting out. It's my first one really, so looking forward to it.
So what time's best for you on Monday? Sunday's the earliest I can come. 1 o'clock Monday's fine. If you just forward me all the details, the address, your contact number, that'll be perfect. I'll see you at 1 o'clock on Monday. Yeah. Awesome. You just text me, yeah? Awesome, that's perfect. Thank you very much.
Thanks, mate.
Appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yes, you got it, bro.
Let's go. Okay, so basically we phoned this guy. He was so direct.
Yeah, so we did it. So I rang him. Basically said I've got a business partner called James. He was very direct, very kind of slow. He reckons he's a estate agent, very blunt. He said, "Have you done your research? Can you give me this every month?" So we did some figures, but we're super conservative. We went on a spare room, had another look. We thought, right, we can at least get £900 a room for a double room. So it worked out that it'll be 1,800 profit, and then obviously take away any expenses, bills, things like that. But hopefully you'll be pulling a clean profit of 12 to 1,300 conservatively.
Five bedroom HMO?
Yeah, 5-bed HMO.
So just to say, it's all good. Let's go, let's get more.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye. Oh God.
Well done. Fine.
Oh, the adrenaline is something else. Oh God. I just oh wait, the adrenaline is too much.
Breathe. And tell.
He's hard. Oh, I might have secured my first essay. But he's really hard because he was asking me all these questions and trying to get around because he's had really bad experiences with another company lets, and I was just like, look, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not gonna say I'm amazing but I can guarantee you this, and I know that I can do this for you, and if that works for you and you're happy with it, I'm more than happy to do it and send you over my contract. And he said, yeah, send it to me. I'll have a look at the contract, and if we both parties are happy, then we'll go ahead with it. But I'm just shaking so much.
What you should have said, well done. Really, really good.
Thank you.
And you came across really professional and very well, so.
Oh, shit, I'm so inside. I was trying not to portray that, but inside I'm like,
No, you're good, well done.
I've booked 3 viewings, and I've got an open day for auction property which I'm interested in.
Nice. So are these in Liverpool?
In Liverpool, yeah.
You can tell by the accent, Mark is from Liverpool. Beautiful accent, wonderful accent. So are you buying in Liverpool? Because Liverpool's Article 4, so what are you doing? Are you buying in Liverpool? Are they going to get planning permission? Are you buying existing HOs? Are you on the outskirts? What are you doing?
No, I'm just on the outskirts.
Ah, okay, whereabouts?
I've got a place called Prescott, which I've got one now, which is nearly finished, ready to rent out. Just doing a bit of financing. So I'm just sticking in the same area.
Great. And literally, I remember when me and Mark met, maybe I don't know, like 5-6 months ago at my house.
Yeah.
And I was like, what are you doing? I'm really busy, working as a joiner. Now, I'm pretty much a full-time property investor now.
Yeah.
Which is just amazing. How's it been in the last few months?
Yeah, it's been great. The support, the people who meet is just unbelievable.
Yeah, amazing. Give them a big hand. Amazing. I saw you chatting with Ricky. So tell us what happened and what's going on.
So Ricky went through the deal with me. I've got some numbers that I put together yesterday just from the HMO.
I heard Ricky. It sounded like Ricky was giving you a hard time. He was grilling you.
He was saying things like, are they all double rooms? Has it been tenanted to a family? Why is the landlord not just tenanting it as an HMO? Is the landlord going to be there? How much I need to negotiate down the monthly rent to make it worthwhile? Whether or not I'm going to have a management company.
Yeah. So as soon as you get it, and when are you doing it?
2:30.
2:30 today. And it's literally like 7 minutes drive from here.
Yeah.
Assuming that you manage to get it at the price that you want, what kind of profit are we talking a month? What are you hoping to achieve?
If it's totally passive and I have a management company looking after it, which is what I want, then I'll have a clean profit of £1,100.
£1,100, very good. So, £1,100, and that's totally passive with a management company in place, really close to here. Where do you live?
East London.
East London. So what do we need to do to help clinch this deal? Because you've done the area, you've done the property you found, you've got the viewing, you're now in due diligence stage. And then at 2:30, it's time to collect